Tom is a student. He lives in a small town with his family. Every morning, he wakes up at 7 a.m. He brushes his teeth, washes his face, and eats breakfast. After breakfast, he walks to school. The school is near his house, so it only takes 10 minutes. At school, Tom studies many subjects. He likes math and English the most. During lunch, he eats with his friends. They talk and laugh together. After lunch, Tom has more classes until 3 p.m. When school finishes, Tom walks home. He does his homework at the kitchen table. His mother helps him if he has questions. After homework, Tom plays outside with his brother. They ride their bikes and play games. In the evening, Tom and his family eat dinner together. After dinner, he watches a little TV and then goes to bed at 9 p.m. Tom is tired but happy because he has a busy and fun day.